Good evening, guys. We're over here at the RopeWalk uh, restaurant here in Ocean City. We're actually in the street in between a hotel and the restaurant. They actually have fireworks every Saturday night in June here in Ocean City, Maryland, at the RopeWalk restaurant. So we're here right now, so we can get a nice little viewing of the fireworks that they got going. And that starts at 9:45. So they're about to be starting very shortly. So I just wanted to capture the light show for you guys since I was not able to grab a nice video earlier while we were actually having dinner near the water. But yeah, again, yeah, we're here in Ocean City, Maryland, about to take a viewing of the Rope Walks restaurant fireworks that they are showing at around 9:45. So hopefully the light show is going to be nice for you guys. Sorry for the lighting, but again, it's late night. Obviously, the best time to do fireworks. So hence the reason why I'm recording at night. So I hope you guys enjoy. Excuse me.
Oh my gosh, your condo's right here. Have you guys seen fireworks yet? No.
They let it off about a couple minutes ago to let it know it's starting. So they just let one off to let you know. Yeah, yeah.
So it hasn't started.
No. There we go. Here we go, guys. Here we go, guys. I think that's done.